Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, it's another Boxycharm unboxing. Yay! I'm actually excited for this box because there's something here on this box that I've been wanting for so long. And it's finally here and I cannot ask for anything else than this palette that I have inside here. So if you want to see which one I'm talking about, please keep watching. This box came out really damaged, but the inside is not damaged, which that matters the most. So this theme was actually called Mother Nature. It was pretty cool because it was, May, Mother's Day, understandable. So it comes with really a lot of products that I've been wanting to try. Some of the products I'm gonna add to my giveaway. As you guys know, I've been adding every product to my giveaway. So let's see, we're gonna go on for the first item. This item right here was actually Glam Glow. Glam Glow was actually one of my items that I chose for this month. I've been a fan of Glam Glow since I got their cleaning, I forgot the name, but it was really cool. It kept my skin really clean. But so this one is actually gonna be a mask. It smells amazing. Smells like berries. As you guys can see the texture. Look at that texture right there. Look at that. It's so nice. It was coming off, but it looks so good. I think this is actually a mask. It's a mask. It smells so good. Look at that. It smells like berries. I love berries. So this was product. This product right here was something that I've been wanting to try for a long time, and I finally have it. Now the Glam Glow actually retail for $49. Amazing. It's crazy. This is $49. That's $50. Crazy. It's made of rich berries and probiotic that instantly boost skin health, restore radiance, and balance skin balance. Now, next item right here, I have never tried before, which is from Tresemme. So this product is actually a concealer. Now this is retail value by $24. It's a Cover Plus Concealer Crayon. No, I don't like. Prefer the sponge. Wow, the product looks really nice. It actually came in my color. Finally, it came in my color. So this product, it's all 2-in-1. It comes with a little sponge to blend it, and then it comes with the product. Now you have to like put it. There you go. Okay. And then here you go. It actually gives you a big amount of product. And then what I like is that you close it and then it clicks. I love that. Which makes it easier not to lose it. So it's $24. It's a really good coverage and it came in my color. Yay! I'm gonna put this inside. I love concealers. As you guys know, I love concealer, foundations, powders, setting sprays. I love having those in my box. Now, this product, I'll be giving it on my giveaway. It's a lip pencil and it's a knife shift. It's actually from Gerard Cosmetics. Never tried something from Gerard Cosmetics, but I'm not a person that uses lip liner. But it's actually pretty cool that I got. So this goes by $16. It's a creamy and pigmented. It's kind of really dark. It's made in Germany. Now here we have another product from... And this one is from Seraphine Botanicals, $24.99, and it's a revitalizing lip polish made by blending soft sugar crisp. I'll be also adding this to my giveaway. I don't know, I mean, like, I have never used lip polish, but I'm not interested, so I'll be adding it to my giveaway. Last but not least, this is what I was talking about. This is a Violet Voss Essentials palette, and let's open the product. Does it come with a mirror? But look at all those colors. Wow. Oh yeah, it does come with a mirror. But look at all those colors. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I already swatched the colors that you guys saw in my Instagram. So let's see. Those are pretty and it feels so good. Oh, I love emeralds. There's this very color. Wow. Oh, those are beautiful colors. And the reason why I have no makeup on, because I wanted to do like a look using this palette, and the good thing is that it already comes with the mirror. That way I don't have to like mess up with the stuff. I'm gonna use cream my crease. Then I'm gonna use sand. Now we're gonna do some blending. I'm gonna put cinnamon. Oh, that's a little bit of fall off. This palette has some really beautiful colors and they're so pigmented. So here I did like a smoky eye using plumberry and cinnamon and pink. So on the other eye, I'm thinking about doing something different. So I'm gonna use some bright colors on my other side. Well, here's the final look that I did with the Violet Voss palette. Such a beautiful, beautiful palette. I mean, you can do a lot of looks with this palette. It gives you all the colors that are pretty much essential. I'm not gonna lie, I've been wanting this palette for such a long time, and I'm so thankful that I got it. I'm not gonna bitch about it because I wanted it. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below, follow me on social media right here. Comment below what you think about this look, about the review, let me know. I mean, it's okay, you guys can tell me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.